If you are looking for the best 5 8K smart TV, then you are on the right place. Alltech researches, analyzes and then makes a list about best 5 8K smart TV based on quality, price, features, and user feedback. Our today's video about best 5 8K smart TV that's are available in the market. Hope this video helped to make your decision easier. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentions in this video, you may check the link in description box below. And now let's continue. Starting at number 5, LG Signature 8K Smart OLED TV. The LG 88-inch Signature OLED 85Z9 TV is strictly for well-heeled early 8K adopters, but it's an awesome sight to behold. The 88-inch LG Signature Series OLED 88Z9 is the biggest OLED, and the first available in 8K resolution. It offers superlative contrast thanks to its OLED panel, and some of the best color performance. Unique features of this item: LG A9 Gen 2 Intelligent Processor 8K, LG Think, Alexa, and Google Assistant, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, Real 8K OLED. AI designed sound powered by deep learning. AI helped create a processor customized for LG OLED TV audio. The revolutionary A9 Generation 2 8K intelligent processor upscales 2-channel audio to virtual 5.1 surround sound. Number 4, Hisense 8K Ultra HD Android Smart ULED TV. The Hisense 8K ULED U80G TV is 8K, Ultra HD certified, quantum dot color, full array local dimming pro, and supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos audio. The U80G 8K ULED TV is a brilliant first venture into 8K territory that demonstrates its technology can easily handle the jump to an even higher resolution. Unique features of this item: ULED and full array, peak brightness, Android TV, artificial intelligence, quantum dot wide color gamut, dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Number 3, Samsung QLED 8K Q900 Series Ultra HD Smart TV. The Samsung Q900R is a great 8K LED TV with impressive picture quality. It can very bright both in SDR and in HDR. Although it has a VA panel, it has wide viewing angles due to the ultra viewing angle layer that maintains an accurate image when viewed from the side at the expense of lower contrast. Despite the low native contrast ratio, darkroom performance is greatly enhanced by the very good local dimming support. It has great HDR performance and very good reflection handling. The Q900 has excellent motion handling and a very low input lag. Let's look quick features of this item. Real 8K resolution, quantum processor 8K, 8K AI upscaling, full array elite backlight 16x, 8K quantum HDR 24x, unimaginable 8K depth of detail and high dynamic range powered by HDR10 plus, illuminates intensely deep colors and super fine details with astounding cinematic clarity. And now number 2, TCL6 Series UHD QLED Dolby Vision HDR Smart TV. The TCL6 series is the flagship TV in TCL's 2020 lineup. It provides very good overall performance and is an upgrade from its predecessor. Its QLED technology helps provide a very wide color gamut for HDR content, and it gets bright enough in HDR to make highlights really pop. It has a VA panel with an outstanding contrast ratio, but that comes at the cost of its narrow viewing angles. There's a full array local dimming feature, but some may be disappointed to know it doesn't perform well and results in blooming around bright objects. The built-in Roku Smart platform is easy to use and has a ton of apps you can download. Features of this item: QLED color technology, smart functionality, pairs 4K Ultra HD, LED backlighting, full view design, the auto game mode. Inputs: 4 HDMI, 1 with HDMI ARC, 1 USB, media player, RF, composite, headphone jack, optical audio out, Ethernet. And now number 1, Sony XBR85Z9G 8K HDR LED TV. Sony XBR85Z9G is our last and top recommended 8K HDR Smart LED TV. The Sony Z9G runs on Android version 8, ARIA, and uses the same MediaTek SoC, MT5893, as other 2019 Sony TVs. As such, the user interface and all Android features are identical and we will not cover those here. Features of this item: meticulously engineered TV, 8K extended dynamic range, acoustic multi-audio produces, X wide-angle technology, Alexa and Google Home compatible. However, you need to purchase the correct one as indicated by your necessities. If you think this video is helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming videos. If you have any more suspicions or inquiries, get in touch with us in our comments section. Our specialists will reply to you immediately. Thank you for watching this video.